Hi guys, it's your girl B Michelle coming at you today with another home revamp to the current pieces that I have in my home. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, stay tuned. So I started out with these items. I used the paint and roller tray kit from the Dollar Tree, some of the foam brushes, a bowl, glitter, the paint, the chalk paint, and the Mod Podge. So first I started by painting the inside of the boxes here. These are some boxes that I've had for a really long time. They actually came from Walmart, and I think I do have another set of these boxes that I actually got from Fred's. But like I said, I've had these boxes for over 10 years. So I'm just revamping everything in my home and giving it a fresh new look, updating everything. So I'm just painting the inside of the boxes, and you guys, you can do this with spray paint. They do have the spray paint, the chalk paint in a spray can. So you can use the spray can. It is much easier to spray paint it, but at the time that I usually create stuff, it's usually when I'm off work. In the evening time, it's dark outside and it's usually really cold. Don't really have a whole lot of room in my garage to go out there and spray paint things, so I tend to just paint things using the roller or the brush or whatever on the inside until it starts to warm up outside. Then I'll go outside and I'll do more spray painting. But you guys, you can use spray paint. It is much easier. But for now, this is my method of painting. So I'm just continuing to paint all of the boxes, the inside and the outside. And once all of that is painted, I'll go on to the next step. So I have all of my pieces painted. So the next thing I'll do is I'll start on the frames. So I took the frames apart, and I didn't want to throw anything away. So I'm just basically revamping everything that's in my home. I took the frame apart and I'm painting over the letters. This one says love and the other one says peace. And I'm just painting over the letters, and I'm just trying to do something to bring in those colors, tie all the colors in together. I did leave the background this goldish looking color, but I did go over it with a little bit of Mod Podge and glitter, trying to enhance the look of the piece, to tie the colors in together. I am gonna eventually incorporate some gold here and there, because I do have some pieces that have like the amber look to them. Some vases that have like the amber look, and I don't want to throw everything out or give everything away. So I'm gonna incorporate some gold pieces here and there. But as for now, all of the videos I've currently done have had all of the bling and silver, or like the metallic. So I'm going to add more of the gold as well. So I'm going to leave this background the way it is, but just going over with a little glitter and Mod Podge. And I'm just going to continue painting over the letters. And I'm going to paint the trim of around the trim as well of this frame. And so I'm going to continue doing that, and I'll go on to the next step. Well, this is the other frame that says peace, and this is a step that I did not show you guys before I started painting the letters on the other one. This is where I took the nails, the staples out of the back of this frame, and I'm just taking the frame apart. Just showing you guys how I'm just going in and I'm revamping everything. It's like I'm just not throwing anything away, you guys. I'm revamping every single piece in my home. It seems that way anyway. So it is going to be a process, and things do take time. So, and I work full time, and so it's taking me a little bit longer than I want this to take, but I just have to do it when I'm available. So I'm just taking that apart, and as you saw in the other part, I already showed you how I painted over the letters. And now I'm going to take some of the Mod Podge and the glitter, and I'm going to go ahead and do the Mod Podge and glitter over all of my pieces. Of course, you guys, you know I love the sparkle and the bling, and you see this in all of my videos. I love the Mod Podge and the glitter. So I'm tying all of the pieces in together. So that's what I'm going to do with all of these, is go over it and let this stuff dry, and I'll show you guys once everything is complete. So I also added some embellishments to all of my boxes as well. And I also painted the word hope and added some Mod Podge and glitter as well as some bling. So that's it, you guys, and this is the final look of everything put together. So this is in my foyer area. So when you first walk into my home, this is what you see. I haven't done anything to the other wall yet, but I just staged this all together to show you guys how you can decorate your home in the foyer area. So this is how I did everything. I have my hope sign, the peace sign, in all of my boxes, and this is how it's looking, you guys. So I actually love it. And these plants that I have over here, I actually got those plants from work. I just got those plants the other day, you guys, and I love those plants. I was walking through the hospital. I work in a hospital, and I was walking through, and the lady that keep up all the plants throughout the hospital, she was getting ready to throw those out, and me and my coworker were just happened to be there at the right time. So we both got plants to take home, you guys, and they are beautiful. She was gonna throw them away. So yay, I got plants. And I just said the night before, I need some plants to go in that area. I do have other plants, but they're not looking the best right now. So that's it, you guys. This is the look of my foyer for now. I do need to do some other things for the other wall on the other side of the foyer. Or foyer, however you want to say it. But this is how it's looking right now, and once I get that side completed, I'll show you guys as I'm revamping my whole home. So thanks for watching, you guys, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please share these videos. You know, I'm trying to grow my channel, so please share them. So this is it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.